Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today is going to be a really fun one. I am taking you guys along with me to Dollar General. So if you have never been to Dollar General before, you are in for a treat. It is such a fun store. It's different from Dollar Tree in the sense that everything is not all $1. It can go up to higher, say even like $15. There are some stuff that are $1. But they do have some really good deals. They even have an app I downloaded. This is not sponsored by Dollar General. I am going on my own and I've been wanting to do a shop with me there for a while now. I know how much you guys love my Dollar Tree content and videos, so I was excited to do a Dollar General. Doing this is because I found a new Dollar General that just opened that's closer. Previously, I had been to one and it was really far. This one is a little bit closer for me, so I'm gonna check it. It has really good reviews. If you guys missed my video where I tested out Believe Beauty at Dollar General, they are a makeup brand. I loved those products so much. I will link that video down below. You guys have to try their products. They're unbelievable. $5 and under pretty much. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to come with me to Dollar General, then just keep watching. I am so excited to see what we are going to find there today. This is like my second time going to Dollar General, so it's gonna be like a whole fun new experience. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I made it to Dollar General. I was super excited and I just wanted to start out in the first section. So they had a lot of winter clearance for 50% off. So just some like plain hats. These were 50 cents. Some gloves, some yellow hats. And then moving over to the food aisles, I was actually really surprised. They had a lot of name brands, really big selection of food and refrigerated items. So they even had oat milk, which I was shocked about. I love oat milk. They also had name brand Coffee Mate creamers, and they even had their own brand called Clover Valley, which you'll see throughout the video. And they had their own brand of creamers, and I thought that was really cool. Their own brand of creamer was $2.95, and then the regular creamer was $3.25 by Coffee Mate. So they also had cream cheese, they had different yogurts. There was a lot of selection to choose from if you needed a snack or something on the go. I would definitely buy some items from here. They also had their own cheese, which I thought was really interesting. They had Mexican blend, sharp cheddar, and then along with some name brands as well. But I love that they had their own brand. They had eggs. I am so excited about this video, you guys. And also I'm trying to talk. Hopefully you can hear me. These cookies were definitely a dupe for Girl Scout cookies, chocolate fudge caramel. And then moving through the pasta aisle, you can see they had so many different items, lots of vegetables, beans. So let me know if you guys like shopping at Dollar General for food. And then they also had peanut butter, creamy and crunchy. The prices were really reasonable, $1.50, and I noticed they also had my favorite sweetener. Even though I did notice though that the first ingredient was dextrose, which I always want the first ingredient to be stevia. So that was only $1 too. And then they also had the Clover Valley cereals, so they had their own brand of cereals as well as name brands. And they had ice cream too. These were $4. And I just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview of what you would be able to find inside a Dollar General. Then moving over to the kitchen section. So this is where they just had like a bunch of utensils. And the pricing on these were like kind of similar to like a TJ Maxx. So it wasn't like crazy cheap or anything like that. But this was one of my favorite kitchen finds. This pre-seasoned cast iron skillet grill pan. Amazing find for $10. I definitely want to pick this up. This is great for cooking meat, fish. I thought that was an awesome value. They also had their own brand of a personal blender, which I thought would be amazing for smoothies for $15. And this Anchor Hocking mixing bowl, super nice quality. I love glass bowls. And this was actually only $3, which I thought was such a steal. They had these studded tumblers. These were $8, so more in line with like a Target pricing on these. So the outside was like this rubberized material. They had gold, black, and silver. I thought these were really, really cute. Okay, prepare to be shocked by this amazing home section they had. So they had this adorable Rae Dunn dupe butter dish. So adorable. They had amazing items. This Good Gravy little gravy boat for $5. I was like squealing when I got to this aisle. I couldn't believe all the cuteness. They had this beehive spoon rest for $5. And then they also had the matching little bee butter container. This Gimme Some Sugar canister. This was like giving me major Hobby Lobby vibes. And then I loved these tin bee canisters with the wood top. Oh my goodness, so cute. They had two sizes, a smaller one, this was $5, and the bigger size was $8. And then I randomly found these steel straws that were like rainbowy for $2, so I added those to my cart. These are so cute, especially for spring, these knives and fork containers. I don't think they had the price on these. I'm assuming these were $5, but I loved the print. This was another favorite find, this adorable floral baking dish. It reminded me of something you'd find in like an old 70s home. This was $8. Obsessed. This cream of the crop little cream pourer was only $3. So adorable. Another favorite, this is by their Bloom and Blush collection, this pepper and salt containers. These were also something that looked vintage. So pretty, such nice quality. Another amazing find, these measuring cups for $6. Absolutely precious. These would make a great like bridal shower gift because they are just so cute. I had never seen anything like these before. The measurements were on the inside. I loved these. They were just so like shabby chic. Really cute. Just giving you guys a little overview. This little cream pourer, absolutely precious. I loved it. They also had these little pouring jars for $8. That would be great for the spring. These cutting boards, can you guys handle all this cuteness? I know it's a lot of cuteness. Little cutting board, that was $5, so great pricing. Home Sweet Home pourer, I loved the design on this. This little creamer jar, $3, can't beat it. These little flower-shaped porcelain bowls were just so cute. Okay, and then this is a favorite, this bread box. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is really popular right now, but I had never seen something like this before, and the price was amazing, $10. So it was this tin bread box with a wood top. I tried to get the top out, but it was like being stubborn, but that was a favorite. And they also had this little faux wooden tray for $10 with the little handles. I was like, where am I? Am I at the dollar store? Because this is crazy. The basket selection was so on point. They had these baskets with these little faux leather handles. Definitely like Target vibes. I just knocked one over when I was showing you guys. These were so cute. This one I really liked too, for $8 with the faux leather handles with the wicker. I liked the combo of textures. Hello, who are you? That thing was cracking me up. And then they had some more like really cool wicker baskets, and I loved these. I had never seen this kind of style before, and they were all just so cute. I loved the wired ones. I really like that style as well, and there was just so many to choose from. So you guys have to run to your Dollar General and go get in the car and go and find all these amazing goodies. So, and I also heard there are 2 different types of Dollar General stores, so this was really cute too. It was like a pillar candle holder, kind of just unique and cool. Oh, this was awesome, but I couldn't find the price. It was very heavy. This ladder bookcase, so cute. If I had a house, I would have got that because I thought it was really pretty. More like farmhouse decor. This is a little cute little sign. This was $8. And then it also came in blue as well as red. It was kind of like that tin material. And then this was a really fun acrylic calendar for a dry erase marker. Another precious find, this flowers and garden holder with the little wood handle. I loved this. It was $8. So if this is your style, this farmhouse chic look, then you will love this store. So they had these really fun signs. These were $5. I know those were going to go super quick. All right, moving over to the candle section. These were really pretty, even just for display. They were only $5. So they had some cool scents like vanilla honey. And then they even have rugs at the store. So they didn't have any that were big enough for me. But if you have a smaller space, this one was only $25. A little area rug. That one was $35. And they also had this really pretty ombre blanket that I was trying to show you guys. And here's a better look at it where you can see the ombre. How pretty is that? I had never seen a blanket like that. They also had super cute pillows for $10. I really liked this one with the gold silvery threads. And then the craft section, just showing you guys a couple things there. It definitely wasn't as good as like the Dollar Tree's craft section, but they had some decent things to choose from. But yeah, definitely not as good as Crafter's Square. These were cool, but they were pricey. These deco squares, if you want to redo like your backsplash or any sort of area. So they had the damask print and like a wood print for $10 a pack. So I thought those were pretty neat. And I love that print. Okay, moving to the clothes section. So this section was interesting. They had like a couple cute things, but a lot of it was like a little bit just not my favorite, like a little on the outdated side. And also some of the stuff was a little expensive. I did like these men's flannels though, like to wear with leggings. I thought those were really fun. Kind of like a shacket, if you will. And then just some like women's stuff. They had a couple sweatshirts, and then I loved this little girl's tie-dye jacket. And then this is a woman's tie-dye hoodie, so that was on trend and super cute. Found the makeup aisle. I couldn't find it, and it was like hidden in the corner. So they had Maybelline, and all the Maybelline stuff was like pretty standard pricing, I would say. And they had a section of CoverGirl, and then they also had my favorite Wet n Wild breakup proof eyeliner for only $3. So get it at Dollar General. It's the best. They also have Wet n Wild, some really pretty Color Icon lip glosses with some sparkles. I loved these. And then we have LA Colors. So this is a brand that I always use often because it's at Dollar Tree. But here they have stuff that was like $2, $4. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the gloss colors that I liked that I found. And then this was a holographic gloss. These were really fun and sparkly. And then I found the Believe Beauty display, which you guys know I was saying how much I love this brand. I did a whole review on them. This looked really pretty, like a luminizer. They also had a deeper one. And then these nail art stickers were so cute. You guys know how much I love nail art stickers. And I loved this like floral design. And then just showing you guys some nail art stencils. And that is it, you guys, for my Dollar General shop with me. Go run to your Dollar General because I was blown away by all the finds. And I will definitely be going back. Hopefully we'll do a haul soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.